And welcome back to the Word Conscious Classroom, where we are consciously and deliberately building our students' vocabulary knowledge and word consciousness. Today we are looking at analogies. Analogies express relationships. They are like equations with words. The first set expresses a relationship, and it's linked somehow to the second set. So an analogy compares two things that are mostly different from each other but have some traits in common. You can use the rope strategy to help you solve analogies. The R in rope stands for relationships. The O stands for order of words. The P stands for parts of speech. And the E stands for exactness. Now we are going to try our hand at solving analogies. Okay, so let's set up our equation with words. We have our colon in the middle, actually our double colon, and single colons. Okay, here is the first one. We have kelp is to seaweed. Oh, I don't need these because they're already set up. Kelp is to seaweed as mold is to, so we have to fill in the blank. First we have to do the R. Let's look for the relationships. Okay, so kelp is to seaweed. So if you don't know what kelp is, this is an opportune time to look it up, because kelp is actually a kind of seaweed. So the relationship is kind of. It is a specific type of seaweed. The next thing we look at is order. So we have kelp is a specific type of seaweed. So mold would have to be a specific type of something. We would have to pick the best answer. We could look at the part of speech. Whatever part of speech this is, then that would have to be the same in both. And finally, we would look at exactness. So, kelp is to seaweed as mold is to, and it looks like the best answer is fungus. So fungus is a type of mold. Fungus. That would be the best answer. Kelp is a noun. Mold is a noun. Kelp is a kind of seaweed. Mold is a kind of fungus. So it wouldn't be rock, animal, or fruit. Those would not make sense. Okay, let's try another one. We have work is to rest as toil is to, let's look at the relationship. Work is to rest. That looks like they are opposites. Work, rest. So we need the opposite of toil. Would it be slave, eat, relax, earn? if we look at the order, it looks like work versus rest. So work is like toil. Toil is excessive work. So rest would have to be related to something over here. And it looks like relax would be the best answer. Relax. Work is to rest as toil is to relax. Part of speech. Work, verb. Toil, verb. But I also noticed that work could be a noun. And toil could also be a noun. So both of them we would really have to study, because what's going to help us complete this analogy is the exactness. How does it fit so perfectly? And it does, because relax and rest are synonyms, just like work and toil are synonyms. So the best answer is relax. Next we have energy is to vigor as strength is to, let's get these out of here. Now let's see. We have energy. Let's look at the relationship. Energy, vigor, or vigor, depends on how you pronounce it. Energy and vigor, they are synonyms. And energy is a noun. Vigor is a noun. Strength is also a noun. So if we look at the order, we have energy, vigor, vigor. So it's increasing in intensity. We go from energy to vigor. So if we look at the part of speech, we already did that, and the exactness, which one would exactly fit with this? Energy, strength, vigor. So we need something more powerful. Oh, I said it. Power. Power is the best answer. So we go from energy is to vigor as strength is to power. So it's increasing in intensity. Oh, we're getting the hang of this. Here's our last one. Mask is to shield as hide is to what? Okay, if we look at the relationships, mask, shield. That is a part of, kind of, or something used to. Mask is the shield. Well, a shield can be a part of a mask. Can mask be a part of a shield? I'm not sure if that relationship is going to work. Mask is a kind of shield. No, that one is not going to work. Mask is used to shield. Oh, that might work. Well, let's see. We have hide is to view, reveal, cover, or top. All right, so relationship. Mask is to shield. Mask, shield. I think these are synonyms. Mask is to shield. Let's look at the order. Mask is a thing. So maybe this is something used to shield. But is hide something used to? No. So when we think about the order, mask is to shield. Hide is to blank. So when you mask something, you hide it. When you shield something, you what? Well, part of speech. Mask can be a noun or a verb. Shield can also be a noun or a verb. Hide is the verb. So now that I know the part of speech, I know that I need this to be a verb. Okay, so hide, verb, mask, verb. So this is an action. So mask is to shield, as hide is to, so I need another action. So the best action here would be cover. Yes, I had to double check to make sure because I was getting a little confused with reveal. But that is antonyms, and there was not an antonym relationship here. And when I was looking for exactness, it didn't seem to fit. So we can eliminate view, we can eliminate top, but between these two, I was stuck. So mask is to shield, as hide is to cover. Cover is the best answer. So there you have it. You see how analogies can work using the rope strategy. Rope is my best friend for solving analogies. The more practice you have at it, the better you get. Analogies might seem hard at first, but eventually you get the hang of it and you can start figuring out the equation with words. Well, thank you for watching. Follow us because we have way more in store.